Hi, this is Chris with Mobile Experience, and today we're going to test two products, Microsoft Office Lens and Genius Scan. We're going to find out which is the better scanning app between the two. Okay, to get right started, right into Microsoft Office Lens. We're scanning in Scanner Bin. There's the first document. Takes it just a bit of time. Not the brightest scan in the world, I have to admit. That's what it looks like. And you have to hit the Add button to scan another document. It's a little bit time consuming. There's the second document. Takes it a moment to find the borders, but it finds them. We click Confirm. And the final document. Again, not the most brightest scan that you could take on a smartphone. We're going to run through these. They all look a little bit on the dim side. There's the places you can send it. Next up is Genius Scan. Okay, you got the app open. You hit the plus button to start the scan. First document. You don't need to hit scan. It automatically finds the borders. There's the first scan. It's nice and bright. The second one, and again, you do not have to hit a confirm button or a scan button. It automatically does it. Final scan. Finds the borders fairly quickly. It's nice and bright. Now let's take a look at the scans. They're all pretty crisp, nice and bright compared to Microsoft Office Lens. You can put tags, and there's the different storage facilities that you can put your documentation. And that's about it. Which one would you pick? I know the one I would go with. I would go with Genius Scan. Thank you and have a great day.